We are in IXL EDW, and we are going to be measuring items with a ruler. We'll be asked to measure things to the nearest inch, to the nearest half inch, and the nearest quarter inch. So let's start off with the nearest inch. We've got a ruler here, and it says move the ruler to measure the length of the nail to the nearest inch. Now, as always, remember, when you are measuring something with a ruler, you must start at 0. So I'm going to put 0, not the end of the ruler, but 0. See the black line that is above 0? That is on the edge of my shape. Now, the nearest inch, when they say the nearest inch, that means sometimes it's not exactly on the inch, but it's close to. And it says the nail is about how many inches long? Well, I'm at 0 inches. Let's count. 0 inches, 1 inches, and 2 inches. So this nail is about 2 inches long. Let's find the one that talks about half inch. All right, here we are moving the ruler to measure the length of the fish to the nearest half inch. And if you don't know anything about fishing, fishermen need to know exactly how long their fish is because they like bragging. It was this big. So it's very important to measure your fish. So as always, I'm going to move the ruler up here, and I'm going to make sure that the 0 is touching the left side of it, the one that's farthest to the left, so the tip of his nose. Remember, I don't want you to measure, to go down here and be like, it's right there on his lip. It's right. No, it's not. Right here, right at the tip of his nose. And we are figuring out the nearest half inch. Now remember, half inches are the halfway point between each inch. So let's go down from here to 0 to 1. Let's look at 0 to 1. I'm going to color that in. The halfway point between 0 and 1 is this long guy right here. This is 1/2 inch. You can always tell it's a half inch because it'll be the longest piece on a ruler between each inch. The quarter inches are on each side of it. They are a little bit shorter. So, and you can tell that there is the same amount of space between each side of the half inch mark. See, there's the same amount of space. So I just wanted to show you that the half inch is the halfway point between each inch. So let's figure out how long this fish is. Well, I'm going to first start by counting in inches. So 0 to 1 is 1 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if I go to 9 inches, I know I'm going to go too far. So it is 8 inches, and then let's look at the half inches. Remember that half inch is the halfway point between 8 and 9. And that is this guy right here. So this fish is about 8.5 inches long because it's half inches beyond 8. All right, so that is how you find half inches. Let's talk about measuring in quarter inches. Before we measure this ruler in quarter inches, I want to talk about what's on a ruler. Rulers come in different measurements. Most of them always have inches and half inches, but some of them show quarter inches and 1/8 of an inch. And I just want to make that clear to you so you don't become confused. So when I highlight over this ruler, do you see how the measurement notches turn white? I just want you to notice as I'm talking about rulers. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this ruler here. So let's look at the distance between 0 and 1. Okay? I'm going to count each notch. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if 0 to 1 is broken up into 8 pieces, that means each notch is an 1/8. This is 1/8, this is 2/8, this is 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. We know this because we've been talking about it with fractions. But we need to measure in fourths today. So I want you to be very careful about the notches on the ruler. Now remember what we have learned with fractions. 2/8 make 1/4. So this is 1/8, this is 2/8. So this notch right here I think I'm going to write this out. This notch right here in front of us, this is 1/4. But it is also 2/8. Remember, 2/8 equal 1/4. Over here, this is 1/2, but it also equals 2/4. We know that about fractions. So be very mindful of your notches. And you can see with the 4th notches how it skips. Every second notch is a 4th. So 1/4, 2/4. I'm going to skip 2 more notches. This is 3/4 right here. And then 2 more notches is 4/4 or 1/2. And when I notice something about my notches, I can see, just a moment, I can see that they are longer than the 1/8 pieces. You see that? This 1/8 piece, 1/8 is short, the line is shorter than the 4th. So that can also help us. So let's zoom out here and let's measure this ruler to the nearest 1/4 inch. So I'm going to move my ruler over here to the very tip of it. First, let's count in inches. Well, I know that this ruler is at least 8 inches long, 9 inches long. It's not to 10 inches. So I'm going to stop at 9. Write down my answer for 9 inches long. Now we need to measure in 1/4 inches. Let me look, let me look closely at my 1/4 inches here. So I'm at 9 inches, and remember 1/4 inches are 2 notches over. It's also 2/8. So 1/8, 2/8. 2/8 make 1/4 inch. So this ruler is 9 and 1/4 inch long. Let me write that down. 9 and 1/4 inch long. When I say 1/4 inch, that means 1/4 inch. It's another way of saying that. 9 and 1/4 inches long. So just be very careful when you're measuring with 1/4 of an inch. Remember, 2/8 make a 1/4. 2/4 make a 1/2. All right, good luck.